Drink the night away. They all look the same.
Oh, dude, you're
for him.
so racist.
No. These two look the same, except for that guy. He's got different eyebrows.
Unbelievable.
I didn't say anything, okay? I didn't say anything racist. The PlayStation's about to blow up.
Really?
Ooh.
It's the cutscene, dude.
I don't have time for this.
That was a cool mask, but I got rid of it.
Everything has been taken care of.
I like him. He's my fave.
Kanbei殿も人が悪い。妖怪が仕業と分かっておりましたね。
Aww. Like, are these all the spirit guardian things? Ooh, she's pretty. She looks like a dead or alive character. Except she doesn't have the boobs. And I look like I'm not wearing any pants.
Hey! I am no samurai.
I am no samurai. I'm just not wearing any pants.
Oh my god, look at you.
No!
Damn it, Beverly, we lost a friend.
Kawaii. Aw. Is that a cat? What is that? Oh, it's a dog. Dun dun dun. I'm sorry, I'm a failure.
Kawaii.
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 Kawaii. Kawaii.
See, that wasn't so bad, right?
It was horrible. I feel like I could do better.
Unbelievable.
Do better.
It was cute. It was fucking kawaii.
It wasn't.
It was fucking
weird.
kawaii.
My voice sounded weird.
It was kawaii as fuck.
Kawaii.
I think this is the last level from the demo.
Thank you, thank you. I tried. Alright.
You said you played the demo, right, Jake? Did you play all the levels? Because I never got to the boss in this level in the demo. Oh, look at that, he clipped it.
Oh my god.
It's official.
I'm scared to watch it.
That's just going on Twitter. I think Link is the most kawaii out of us, easily. Like, he doesn't even try.
Like, look at him right now.
Like when he gets on that futon and he sleeps, but he like just goes all out. Like no shame. I don't like the boss in this level. The boss is even worse than the last one. How many elixirs you got?
5.
I got 9.
Is this the only?
I try, man. Like, you should see me. All day, I spend hours just, like, taking selfies and, like, practicing my kawaii face.
I taught you well.
Yeah. Like, I feel like I've been playing too much of this game.
Yeah, I know. You were telling me that you were starting to get a little burnt out.
I can't believe I'm only halfway. Like, it's long, guys. It's so long. Like, it's longer than... It's longer than Dark Souls 1 and Dark Souls 3, I'd say.
Uh-oh.
Ow.
Okay, Maria.
And I haven't really been doing the submissions that much. I feel like I need to start to, though, because I'm getting out-leveled. I don't find the levels that hard if you're slow and methodical, but I find the bosses difficult. Like, I feel like this shit's not balanced with the bosses.
Nope, I'm dying. I'm dying.
At least you've gotten, like, multiple playthroughs out of it.
Kawaii Kurama.
There's an item there.
Like, I mean, it's not that long, but if you add up the playthroughs, you've probably had, like, I don't know. I mean, your first playthrough was, what, 8 to 10 hours? Second playthrough is probably more like, I don't know, 4 or 5.
Are you talking about mine?
No, I'm talking about Jake's. I'm just assuming. So you probably had you probably had about 20 hours. I mean, I don't know how difficult Madhouse makes it.
We should do some of these. Oh no, they disappeared. Ding ding. Oh, there's a tree here I can.
How about I die and then you can fight my Revenant?
No.
Level
I don't
57.
think so.
Actually, I'm 59 now. You know what's weird? You know how when the cable is plugged into the controller, it outputs that white noise?
Yeah.
The charging cable. That's why we can't charge when we record. But it's fine. Like me, I'm playing. It's charging right now, and I don't hear it. It doesn't output to the headphones. It only goes through the recording. Well, the other day I was playing, and I plugged into charge, and it came through my headphones, and I could hear it.
Really?
Yeah, I couldn't charge while I was playing. It was really weird. It was like
So bizarre.
it was like some bad ground going on with this shit. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to help you beat this boss.
No, don't say that.
This boss is
We did
hard.
the last one fine. Oh, first part was 13 hours.
First playthrough.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
When I first read
I thought
it,
you were talking about PT.
yeah, me
like-
too. I was like, the first PT was 13 hours.
I was like, what?
I was like, dude, that game must have scared the shit out of you if you played it that slowly. think you need to progress the level now. Like, are we fighting these revenants or what?
Wait, there's an item here. I missed it.
Like, I feel like there should be a difficulty
Oh, hi.
between Madhouse and normal. Like, I feel like there should be a difficulty where there's no checkpoints.
Can we do 29?
Sure. There's no checkpoints and you need the ink ribbons to save, but without all the other crazy stuff.
Oh shit, man. This isn't good. He's...
Not for me.
No, I fucked up the crit.
Yeah, you did. Like, he doesn't do much damage to me. Stop blocking, asshole. I don't know which one I have a guard break on one of these, but I don't know which one. Oh, it might be this. This is my parry. Maybe it's this. I don't know. Did you get one?
Yeah. This asshole's on the other side of the freaking bridge. I didn't realize that the bridge was broken. That sucks.
Seriously? Stop making me miss. Oh my god. I could have... Whatever. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
You mad, Brett?
Now I'm mad.
But, like, how do I get there?
Yeah, cassette tapes. That's right. My bad. I was thinking old school Resident Evil.
This... Oh, hi. How you doing? Oh my god! What just happened? Thanks for taking him out. Thanks.
Like, you got an antidote or something?
Oh shit, yeah, you're right.
Unbelievable. Just
didn't
walking around, stinking up the place with your green goo.
You said... How do I even...
I think from what we've played so far, the Margaret sequence, the boss, I'd say, it's my favorite.
Dude.
She seemed pretty well done. The way she moves is pretty creepy.
Scary. Horrifying.
I liked her.
I think that's the scariest part of the game.
Damn, girl. You just gone and ran off on me.
I'm trying to figure out the place to go.
Or maybe I'm the one that ran off on you. My bad.
I'm not sure which way to go. Because I need to get across the bridge. And I can't jump. Why, hello there, drunk date. What? Throw it in my mouth? Sure thing.
I'm in the mood for spicy food.
I'm not.
Yeah, he's a cool character. The chainsaw fight is like, I don't know, it's such a brawl.
I failed.
You're like down in, I feel like you're just down in a cage with him and you're just like going at it. I mean, you kind of are, but I don't know. Bosses in Resident Evil games never had any health bars, right?
I don't think so. I mean, I've only played 2, so... Yeah. Ah! Oh. That killed him?
No.
No, it didn't. Oh, he's coming back. Like, he's ready. He's like, how dare you? How dare you go patches on me? That boy's got...
See, I hate how redneck and southern they are because it reminds me so much of like the rednecks here.
Yeah.
Like so much. There's so many like I don't want to be mean.
I mean, I don't
But I'm
have
gonna be mean.
problems with rednecks.
I don't have problems with rednecks either, but it's just now they remind me of Resident Evil. Like how humid and muggy it is down here, and these like the southern plantation. There's some really like dumpy homes and stuff like that, and I don't know. And I see people walking around, and they're all like redneck, and they're like, "Oh, dude, that's like Jack. Like this is Margaret."
Except for the racist ones, those are kind of annoying.
Yeah.
Like the ones telling you to swim back to Cuba.
Like that's one thing we can say about the Baker family. They're not racist.
That we know.
They don't discriminate. They welcome everyone to the family.
Unless you don't eat their supper. And that pisses them off. Like, how dare you?
Like,
damn, that didn't take me long.
how self-aware do you have to be a redneck? Like, are rednecks self-aware?
That they're redneck?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like they embrace the term redneck. Is it like
Yeah.
a hipster thing?
Yeah.
Because you know how if you say you're a hipster, you're not really a hipster?
My friend, she's like, her and like her family, they're super redneck.
Did you get 3 Choco Cups?
No.
I got 3 Choco
Maybe
Cups.
I did.
You're not
and
paying
I didn't
attention.
realize. They have a shirt that says, "You better redneckanize."
But does that make them true rednecks?
I don't know. They
So
embrace it. They're like, "Yeah, we're rednecks."
So it's different than hipsters then. Because remember, if you say you're a hipster, you're not really a hipster.
I don't know.
I don't believe that anyways. I think you can say you're a hipster and be a hipster. But someone once said like, oh, true hipsters deny being a hipster.
I have 9 Choco Cups. Cool. There are people in my family that look and act like Jack, honestly. It depends which area of redneckery are they from.
Like, I'm trying to think how redneck my family was growing up. I think they were more redneck than I would like to admit.
My family is not redneck at all.
Whatever.
At all.
Because you're exotic. Rednecks don't know they're rednecks necessarily.
My family is very, very Hispanic. I do like that you don't see too many people here in Florida that are from my country, though.
From your country.
My family's country.
Your family's country.
Makes me feel a little special. You see like a lot of like Puerto Ricans and stuff here. Puerto Ricans, Dominican Republic. Damn, you're doing it again? Fucking whoa. Damn titties. All up in my face.
Like, what's supposed to be the difference between a redneck and a hillbilly?
Wouldn't like hillbilly be more like a northern type of thing?
I don't know, dude.
I don't know. I think of hillbillies and I think of like banjo. And they're like straw hats or something and they're little like...
So rednecks aren't like that then? Rednecks don't play banjo?
I feel like it's different. I don't know. I don't know what the difference is. But I feel like hillbillies are like...
I don't know.
They're very like farmery type redneck type of thing.
I gotcha. I don't know. I mean, these words are just
Yeah,
symbols.
totally.
They're dead.
They're like Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
They're innate. It's no use using words to describe anything. They fail us.
I never expected to see damage. What? Oh. Ah! Yes!
Yeah, I do like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre vibe that Resident Evil 7 has. I just find it unsettling because Resident Evil 7 reminds me so much of people in Florida. And the people in Florida, they're uncommon to me because I didn't grow up around that in Maine. Like that whole like southern like lifestyle thing, that's not like a natural thing to me.
Same.
Even though I grew up in pretty much the woods of Maine, my town only had like a few thousand people, like 3,000 people in it. So I mean, it's not totally the woods, but like I mean, my high school had 200 students.
Yeah, rednecks are phase too.
I gotcha. So hillbillies are probably a little bit more likely to be inbred.
I think there's like a city here that's like currently full of inbreds.
The particular stereotypes associated with the American South tend to go with the term hillbilly. While anyone who's poor and from the country, whether it be rural areas, Georgia, Texas, might be called a redneck. Interesting. Has anyone seen that movie? I'm not sure how it's pronounced. It's like Gumo or like Gummo or something. I forget who made it.
What the hell is that thing? Is that a yokai? Like it's... Oh, I hit him in his eyeball. Oh, look at the way he's freaking walking. Fucking like a boss. Oh, shit. Jack's fight, like, I don't even know. How many times did that take me? Chainsaw fight. I know I gave up. And it was really late.
I did it in 2.
Whatever.
On normal mode. I think it's made by the same guy. What's that guy? I think he's the one that did Spring Breakers. Like, what is it? Harmony
Spring Breakers.
something. It's way
That
better than
movie.
Spring Breakers, though.
That movie, though.
It's like really messed up, and it follows like a bunch of people in this like small like fake Ohio town, but it's like filled with a lot of like inbreds, and it's just like showing their lives. It's kind of like a mockumentary, sorta. I think, maybe.
I was about to be like, Hills Have Eyes? Aren't they inbreds?
The Hills Have Eyes. I don't know. I don't remember. Maybe it's been.
I know they're like some type of like, I don't know.
Yeah, Spring Breakers was bad. This is way better.
It was horrible. Oh my god. But it was funny. What's the song? He's all like, Spring Break. I don't remember how it goes.
And we didn't even get to see any boobies in it.
Oh my god. You and that's like all you care about.
Well, if it's gonna be a bad movie, let's at least get
Yeah,
to
I
see
know,
some
right?
boobies.
Might as well
Like,
have boobs. Boobs are cool.
like at least it have one redeeming thing.
There's a thing.
I mean, it's not the greatest movie, but it's worth a watch.
These guys are freaking high level, man.
Like they like catch cats, and I don't know, they like bring them to the Chinese restaurant or some shit. No, I don't know. They catch cats for something. I don't remember what. And they like steal glue, and they like go huff it underneath the little town bridge or something. They get high off the glue. and they're like, "What is my life?" And
Off the glue?
yeah, they like huff glue, and then they like have sex with each other while they like eat glue or something.
Yes, you told me about that movie.
Yeah. It always blows my mind, like the shit we start talking about when we stream. Like it's way different than when we were like just playing this.
Like,
This is what you guys do to us.
let's fight this one. He's 28, but
I don't give a shit. I'm 59 or 60 now or something. I can run for
I
days.
don't know what I am. I'm probably low level though.
Man, he's like warped.
Oh shit. Back up.
Ah, I missed my crit.
Ow.
I want to try my stance. Hold on. Watch
Do your
out.
crit.
That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to try my like parry shit. I gotta get good at parrying.
Yo, it's Spring Break Gangsters. OG. Wasn't it the one with Selena Gomez?
And Vanessa Hudgens.
And Vanessa Hudgens. Vanessa Hudgens is a cutie.
I had like the biggest crush on her.
She was like my role model.
Really.
I was like, she's so pretty, I want to be like her.
I saw her nudes.
I think everyone saw her names.
Hold on, back up. Let me do this. Okay, let me try this.
Wow.
Damn it, that's not what I wanted to do. Whatever.
Good job.
Whatever. I gotta get good at parrying.